Hello my dear friends, today I'll tell you about one simple and effective strategy for binary options trading, which includes only two indicators. If you want to increase your profitability and make your trading more confident, then the video is for you. We'll figure out how to use these tools correctly so you can make rational decisions and minimize your risks. And what we're left to do is to get to know how it works, so sit comfortably and enjoy. The link to the broker where I trade is in the description, and let's go! Okay, before we start trading, we apply two indicators on the chart. We open indicators panel. The first one is Williams indicator. Williams oscillator. It's located in the very bottom. The second one is fractal. It's located in the first top, right here. And we leave basic inputs. Now let's figure out how to make money and what's the point of the strategy. So the first indicator we're using is Williams oscillator. This is an indicator located at the very bottom of the chart. It consists of the range inside of which the chart is moving. There are two levels in this range and they're marked red. High level is overbought state level. If we see the price is entering the overbought state level, then we consider sell positions or we bet lower. Lower level is an oversold state level. If the price enters it, we'll consider buy positions or we bet higher. Not upwards. But to open deals, we need fractal indicator. This is an indicator showing the signals on the chart, and they're formed based on exact patterns on the market that used to occur. Okay, and in this strategy, what we need to do is to wait for the exact moment when the price reaches either lower border of indicator or higher border of indicator. When the price is within these borders, we need to wait for the signal to sell or buy. Okay, hope you get it. And when the signal to buy comes, it marks by red fractal, signal to sell is marked by green fractal. Now let's move to trading. So I see fractal meaning downtrend being formed. We open a sell deal or we bet down. In this case, I see the price is near the higher border of Williams indicator. It means in this case, I'll probably consider downtrend. Okay. As for confirmation factors, I see firstly the signals from fractal indicator, and it means the prices decrease. Also, in this area, I see the resistance level from which we had lots of rolling back movements. These rolling back movements means the level is indeed strong. As you can see, to enter the deal, I'm using not only two factors on the indicators. Besides, I'm using confirmation factors that I see on the chart. In form of confirmation factors, we consider levels and candlestick formations. So, the downtrend happened and my deal is closed in a profit. Great! We go on. So, I see the signal on fractal is formed. I open a sell deal for 1 minute. Okay. In this case, it's as simple as possible. I see the price used to be near the oversold level. I expect to roll back down here. I also see fractal is formed on this candle. It means decrease. As for confirmation factors, I can point out this resistance level. And there were exact directions to sell here. They mean this level is strong, and they confirm the downtrend will likely happen here. Actually, only one confirmation factor is already enough to enter a deal, but you should understand the more confirmation factors you find on the chart, the bigger are your chances to close the deal in a profit. So I have 5 seconds left to the deal's closure, and I'll open a sell deal 2 times for $2,000. As no downtrend happened, moreover, the price has reached overbought state level even more. So, I expect a downtrend continuation here. I'd like to also tell you about considering the risks while trading. You should understand that sooner or later you get a loss, it's fine, and you should be ready in advance so you're open a cover or stop trading with no losses. Great, my cover brought me a profit. So I compensated losses from the previous deal and got in a small profit, more than that. Awesome result, we go on. So I see fractal signalizing to that lower is formed. I open a sell deal for 1 minute. This case is as simple as possible. I see the price is beyond overbought state level. It means decrease. Okay, as form of confirmation factors, I can point out this pattern here. It is a doji pattern consisting of one candle, whereas there is a big shadow at the top and small body. So now let's talk out loud once again the checklist, what we need to do to open a deal. Okay, firstly, you should see the price is near the higher or lower border on Williams indicator. And secondly, you should see the confirmation factor, it's a fractal. And then point out at least one confirmation factor on the chart. After all of that, you can open a deal safely. The deal is closed at a loss, but it's fine, guys. I just opened it once again for $4,000. Let's do it. Let's get it back in case it's closed in a profit. I compensate the loss from the previous deal and also get in a small profit. And let me once again tell you to consider all risks in your trading strategy. I opened the cover at this moment. For some reason, I didn't see any great upward impulse, which means there is no strong buyer here who can affect my deal's outcome strongly. Okay. Also, on Williams indicator, I didn't see any uptrend, which means my entry point is still actual. So my cover is closed on a profit. Great, watch this confident movement I managed to catch. The downtrend happened in the end. The price got back to the overbought levels mark on Williams indicator. And you know what? I think we can summarize results here. Let's do it. As you can see, thanks to this strategy, literally in a few deals, I managed to make my balance more than $5,000 bigger. And this is indeed a great result considering the strategy is as simple as possible to understand and to apply. And you can find even more trading strategies and recommendations in my Telegram channel following the link in the description. Also, I'm sharing great effective signals here to trade, which allow you to earn not spending much time on trading, on analyzing the chart, and so on and on. I'm waiting for you in my Telegram channel, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and bye-bye. See you soon.